kirjoitetaan sanakirjat tusiksi. Tulitan sanoi susta kutsu Astra utsiksi. Menetetty tuli puskist sissipartioon. Kappaamaan valtoja, missä on etuvartio. Koska on Astra tuli lennolla just Kolumbiasta. On kansainvälinen, sano jengille. On vallankumouksellinen, kutsu Fidel Castraksi. On salaseura, voit sanoa kosa nastraksi. Tää pidetään meteliin, tarvit peltorit. On koulukunta, voit kutsua rehtoriksi. Löydät meidät kadut, stö ilmestyy savus. Tulevaisuus näiskäsis, nini Astradamus. Ja meikä mannen mummo tykkää kutsutaan Lamborghiniksi. Ja nukkumatti sprite pullo liniksi. Tunne tyypei alamaailmasta, kose MD mafiasta. Lempiruoka utsipasta, kutsun nimellä Frank Sinatra. Tää kirjoitetaan maailman kirjat tusiksi. Menetetty tuli pistää paikat muusiksi. Lingo, lingo, tässä on sana uus. Sä oot räppäri, Astra on jotain muuta.
Just for a minute, I need some privacy. Headset off and stretch your neck out. Down the rocks to her head's safe house. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleeding, shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. She really bad. Holding a heart, feel like a lady. Things apart, cold, rugged, waiting. I can't believe that you lied. Did you know where to find me? I get the feelings and I really thought it cost me. Drops in her goggles aren't of love, and something's really wrong and it feels awful. And even though her body's back to normal, she once wasn't feeling it. It's hiding in her soul. I don't wanna know what she did. She's not who I am. At least that's what I thought. Now I'm second guessing. I can't put my gun down. My suit's getting heavy. Something wants to be released. Something dark inside me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside of me. Dark familiarity. She opened her eyes and watched the ruins. The thought of a life and a love to lose. She shook out her lenses, they want her back soon. The moments alone becoming scarce and few. Sure she could fly, but she's getting visions. These are worlds unspeakable and personally did. She couldn't pose a threat to the ghost like this. He rescued her once, now it's her turn to save him. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleeding, shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. She wins that